Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing great and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can rank your answers higher on Quora, so let's get right into it. Quora is a website or a service which is used to ask questions or answer the questions of other people, and it is pretty much similar to a social media site. It is quite similar. In fact, it shares a few similarities with Facebook. As you can see, the layout itself looks quite reminiscent of Facebook. And the way you can rank, or what it actually means to rank your answers on Quora, is to make sure that they are viewed a lot of times, get a lot of upvotes, and so on and so forth. You might want to do this if you want to become a part of the affiliate, or rather the partner program for Quora, which will then make sure that you will get money for your answers. And to actually qualify your answers, or to actually make them attract more attention, you will need to make sure that they are on popular topics, on topics that a lot of people are searching for. This is one of the main ways which you can do this. Topics that are currently popular in the world will attract the most buzz and the most attention. So making sure that your answers are on such topics is important. Another way is to make sure that your answers contain certain keywords or buzzwords or whatever that is related to the question, which will attract a lot of people. It's pretty much a marketing strategy and a bit of an algorithm manipulation. However, that will certainly help. And other things you can do is promoting your answers on different sites, such as Yahoo Answers or Facebook. If somebody asks a similar question which you have an answer to, link your answer, and that will attract more people. And those are some of the strategies which I know of. Feel free to comment if they work for you. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.